are my Swiss rifles. This is a 9611. It was made in 1896. It had a straight stock, and then when they re-arsenaled them in 1911, they put a pistol grip in. So it's a 9611. There's one, there's one, there's one. This is a 1911 Swiss rifle. It was manufactured that way, so it doesn't have the adapted piece. Here's the carbine, the 1911 carbine. Still has the sling. It's the same thing. It locks up in the rear. That's why the receiver is so long. It locks up in here. Now when they made the 1931, when they got their new design, they locked up in the front. So they made the receiver a lot shorter. It's still a straight pull lock. I have 4 of the K-31s. From Brownells, I got a clamp-on scope adapter. It hooks around the receiver and tightens down on this screw. Does no damage to the gun. No permanent alterations. Special scope rings that go with this piece. And since it's on that side, setting your cheek over here, it's really easy to line it up without holding your head up in the air. These are very long guns. The older ones have like a bake light knob to pull, but it won't close on an empty mag. You have to push that down. And then when they got to the K-31, they made a steel barrel for the bolt knob to pull on. The magazines aren't interchangeable, they're 10 round, both of them. I got these for $99, 2004. These K-31s. This one I bought for $400. The others were probably $300 or so, $250 to $350 for these other 1911s and 9611s.